Hello, my name is Leslie Lee and I am the owner of Aesthetic Creator. And today we're going to talk about Diamond Glow. So Diamond Glow is basically like a facial type thing where we use different tips to exfoliate, extract, and then we also infuse different types of serum within your tissues. So it's kind of like a facial on steroids, basically. So the diamond tips are actually helping us exfoliate, and we have different grits of the diamond tips. So we can be pretty aggressive or we can be pretty gentle. And then the serums that we use are very specific. So there's a brightening one, which we would use more for like sunspots or different things. And then we have just like kind of our overall, it's called TNS, which is a sense of serum that kind of helps with the aging process. So that would be something that I would say that, we kind of use on everyone. Or there's a hyaluronic acid serum, there's a vitamin C serum. So there's different types of serums that we use based on your skin type. So you'll come into the office and we basically kind of get you all prepped. We will use a mask. It's a super comfortable, like process. Patients usually are planned to be there for about 45 minutes. It kind of depends on, which one you select. I mean, you can do it in as little as 30 minutes if you really want to, but it's definitely, we're not trying to get you through a car wash. We're trying to actually give you a treatment that is, super cleansing and just kind of getting rid of some of that dead tissue on the surface of your skin. So patients come in, and then they leave. It's not like a big, production, right? Like there's no downtime. You have a really pretty glow to your skin. We put different products on after, but it's definitely one of those treatments that you want to do probably every 6 weeks or so, depending on the person. I mean, obviously sometimes people come in and it's, once a year they have something coming up, so they're super excited and then they want to have, a really, I would say more treatment-based facial than just like a fluff facial. So we're really looking to give results with this treatment. So basically the patient will come in, and I would say a lot of times patients want to do every 6 weeks because it makes them feel good. So they just kind of reschedule. It's something that's more of a maintenance. It's more self-care than anything. But Diamond Glow is a procedure or a process that can really help your skin just look lighter and brighter, kind of overall, right? So we do the neck, we do the face. It's not gonna get rid of like lines or wrinkles or anything like that. It's really just a very specific targeted treatment that's gonna make your skin like glow. So if you have like an event coming up or something that you just like want to maintain your skin, it's super, super helpful. So I think again, like within the aesthetic industry, there's, the non-invasive things, right? Your fillers, your Botox, things that we're using needles for. And then we have our other side, which is really about skincare, and caring for the skin is actually probably one of the most important things, because as we age, our skin loses elasticity. It starts to look crepey. It just looks more dull. And so doing things like a Diamond Glow actually help kind of just regenerate and just make you look a little bit lighter, brighter, and almost more, I don't know, like dull is kind of like that word that I use for patients or my skin when I'm like, ugh, like I don't know what it is, but I look in the mirror and I'm just like, my skin just looks dull. So this is a treatment that can really, really help with that. And a lot of times patients, are coming in and they're like, I just need something that's more of like a beginner stage. I don't want to try all of the fillers, the Botox, all of those things. I really just want to care for my skin, which at the end of the day, like if somebody's skin doesn't look good, I mean, it's sort of the canvas, right? Like we want to make sure that we're taking care of our skin, because it's important when we look in the mirror, when we take pictures, how the light reflects, all of those things. So really, Diamond Glow is a great treatment for anyone who's trying to get rid of dead skin, exfoliate. You have acne, we get hormonal acne, we have teenage acne, like there's just all the things. So it's really a specific treatment for the skin. And so again, in your journey of aging, we really want to make sure that we are, again, intentional. Like a great facial is fine, right? Like that's just like, I want the massage, I want the relaxation, I want all of that. That's awesome as well. Diamond Glow is really a treatment-based facial where we're really trying to get a result from it. So again, in our journey of aging, we want to be intentional about how we age, and we also want to relax sometimes. And I think the skin is actually something that we really need to be intentional about caring for as we age, especially the skin on the face and the neck, because everyone sees those things. And we just want to make sure that what we're doing is good for the whole process of aging, because you can age and you can have terrible skin, and you might have smooth skin because you had Botox or fillers, but your skin doesn't look very good, and so you just look dull. So this is something that kind of is the intermediate of a treatment. We're getting you some results, and you just look lighter and brighter and refreshed. So we're excited to see you in for a Diamond Glow at some point, and just kind of help your skin glow as best as it can.